What's up? What's up? It's me again. This time with a slightly different format. This is the Ballerz edition of ThreadBeast. I think ThreadBeast is amazing. So, without further ado, why is everything flipped? It's okay. Who gives a So, I am not a baller, but I identify as one. So let's check this out. First things first, a nice polo shirt. Very nice. I like it. So one thing about ThreadBeast that is relatively new is I know about 99% what's going to be in this box already. I swapped out some stuff that I didn't like. This Ballerz box is about $290, but I got a magic trick. So if you pretend like you're about to unsubscribe, they're going to ask you why. And then all you have to say is, I cannot afford it. And they'll give you the same box for the low. So I ended up paying I think like 100 something, 100 like 50 or 60, something like that for this Ballerz box, which is worth $290. But here's another sweater. I like it. It is very tropical, I would say. Nice. I love it. So the thing that I don't know is which pair of shoes they threw in here. That's what they don't let you see. So I'm very curious about that one specifically. But it is the wintertime. It is December 2025. And they gave me an amazing jacket. I love this jacket. I'm definitely going to use this for a podcast. Women. All right, some jeans. They gave me a pair of jeans. Everything is neatly folded. It is my size. They know my exact dimensions. Here's another one, right? Another sweater, another hoodie. Nothing on the back. I was attracted to this one because it's red. And for whatever reason, I look good in red. Here's another long sleeve shirt by KAYTON Customs. I absolutely love their long sleeve shirts. It goes well with my body. I see a shoebox already. I'm excited. All right, so here's another long sleeve shirt by KAYTON Customs. Good vibrations. What's not to like about this? This is amazing. Here's a short sleeve shirt by Primitive. Just a basic shirt, nothing too crazy. It's just a shirt. What could I tell you? Here's a white shirt. Bad news. I guess sometimes I could be bad news, but I just like how different it is. Nobody has this except for me. All right, so here's a guest shirt. I'm normally not a big guest shirt kind of guy, but I think this one looks pretty dope. It is different. And for whatever reason, I absolutely love different. And finally, the moment everybody has been waiting for. Nike shoes. Let's see what size. They gave me a size 9, which is my size. I'm not even going to look at it. I'm going to show you first. Let's see. Is this any good? Let's see. Overall, I like where this is going. Ooh, I love it. It reminds me of the other shoes I have. So same colors, neutral colors. Can't go wrong with these. But I absolutely love the Air Jordans. But that is all. Until next time, I'll see you in 2026.